Hey everyone, Double P here and welcome. So today's trading session, I attacked the Tesla right here, and you can see here, this is the 200 and the 20 hugging Tesla. So let me just open that up so that you can see it a little bit more clearly. That might not work, but let's give it a go. So this is the 200 right here, the dotted line. And then here we have the 20, and it's obviously it's my system color coded. But I didn't use this. I used the PPOT-Analytics AI Engine to find the trade. So let's get back to the trading session right here. So out of the gate, we got a nice big drop right here. You can see it's a big Maribozo candle, and there's a 200, and there's the 20. The stock stayed under the 20 so that you can see it. And then from there, it was just a matter of taking that low and cleaning up. So we can come over here to the trade tab. You can see what I did today. Very quick trade right there in the green, positive. And that was for the 18th. As you can see it right here, that was for the 18th, the 380 and the 382 put. And let's get back over here. And then we come over here to the PPOT-Analytics AI Engine. And the engine is firing on all cylinders for Tesla, among other things as well. So you can see the engine right here. This thing, you really need to get your hands on this software because it is the best software out there online right now to show you exactly what the institutions are doing and the hedge funds and the family offices. So you can see it right here. It'll literally tell you exactly what is going on. Right over here, you can see it right here. That's a hedge fund order right there. This is another hedge fund order right here. And it picks up literally everything and shows you exactly what you need to do to take a position to be able to make as much money as you actually want. So once again, just kind of wanted to go over the PPOT-Analytics AI engine to show you exactly what is going on. You can see here hedge fund orders, and hedge fund orders. The market is picking up, and you can see gamma squeezes that are happening to the upside, downside, and that's the power of the PPOT-Analytics AI engine. So with that being said, I'll see you guys. Check out the PPOT-Analytics AI engine, get a hold of it. This thing is for traders, active traders, investors, active investors, retail traders, and retail investors. You'll love it. Take care, everybody.